Starting Beyer exercise, left hand, number 11 to number 15. There will be new notes again. That's a new note, and this is new note too. We never done that before, and I would like to talk about it. Before we jump into the new notes, we are going to review the notes we did in the past. So previous section, we had E, that's low E right here, and F, the first space note is F. Second line from the bottom is a G. Those three notes appears in left-hand exercises. And from right-hand exercise, we did have A, B, C, B, C. A right here. And then at the very center is a B. And the second space note from the top is C. And that's a D, E, F, and G. D, E, F, G. From here to here, those 5 notes. We had those 5 notes from the very first section of right-hand exercises. We started to have those 3 notes right here in the second section of right-hand exercises. Those are G, A, B. And from left-hand exercises, we started to have those 3 notes. And starting with left-hand exercise number 11, we are going to have middle C. Looks like this, it's a special note. I'm calling it Saturn. It looks like Saturn. Yeah, it has that ring. That's a middle C. It has the special characters, so everybody remember this note. Very easy. I'm calling it the light bulb hanging from the ceiling. That's a D. So Saturn is middle C, light bulb is the D, one step above C. And then let's review those 3 notes. First line note is E. First space note is F. And the last one. Second line note is a G. Remember, E, F, G, C, D, E, F, G on the top looks like this. Middle C up to the G right here. Looks like this, and it's right here.